How to change wallpaper on laptop. In this video, we're going to be talking about wallpapers and how you can change it on your laptop in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do something like this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is you are going to go straight over to your laptop, and here you're going to click on display settings. Now, once you go over to display settings over here, as you can see, it shows you the advanced display settings and how many displays. Now, to change your very own wallpaper or screensaver, it depends on the images that you're going to be choosing. So first of all, you're going to make sure it's properly scaled. Now, let's say I come over to my downloads, and here I have a few images that I might want to go ahead and add as my wallpaper. So let's say we have this, right? Now you're going to open up the image, and if you want to make it your wallpaper, simply right click it. And once you click on right click, you're going to go to set as, you're going to go on background. Now, once we click on background, you are simply going to wait. And once you wait for it and you refresh your page, it should generally go ahead and change your background to the image that you have chosen. In the case that it does not do that, obviously go ahead and make sure to do it 2 to 3 times, save it properly. And once all of that is done, you should have this image as your background in your piece. But in the case you don't have it, what you're simply going to do again is just go over to either display settings, or you can go over to personalize, where you can simply choose the picture that you want to choose for your background on your desktop. So once we're over here, choose the image. Once we choose it, you come back and look at that. It's changed now. And just as so, you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want to. So this is basically how easy it is. Just go ahead, personalize, choose the image you want, browse it, and add it your main desktop image. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.